Meet Liz and Anne, identical twins with identical habits.
Excuse us.
But Anne's teeth are whiter. She uses new Aquafresh whitening with TriClean, a patented formula that gently breaks down stains without bleaches or harsh abrasives. So your teeth can go back to their natural white.
Let's switch. Bet they can't tell.
Anne,
How did you know?
something in your smile. Aquafresh whitening. Bring back your natural white.
Nung 6 months na si Ryan, nag-promil na siya.
Starting 6 months. Promil. Promil is pro-gifted. Breast milk is best for babies up to 2 years.
Ang mga shampoo sachet, mukhang pare-pareho lang ang dami ng laman. Pero ang Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo, 9 ml, 20% more. Kaya't sa paramihan ng laman, ito lang ang may mukhang ihaharap. Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo.
2 big classic hamburgers, please. 100% fresh beef, slice of cheese, crisp toppings, made fresh when you order. Wendy's big classic hamburger, great as a combo. It's the best time for Wendy's.
Para clean ang skin, you'll need this. Para fresh naman, these. But why pa? When all you need is this. New Eskinol Matte and Fresh, the first facial cleanser and face powder in one. Kaya goodbye dirt and shine, instant retouch anytime. Kahit anong mangyari, fresh and shine free. I'm sorry.
I'm Carlos.
Try Eskinol Matte and Fresh.
Sina, ngayon daw ako'y wala na sa taal, ba't kalusog ko pa rin? Kakoy kare-kare at lumpia ni Goldilocks. Alay, sino daw kasi Goldilocks? Kakoy ina, di naman babae si Goldilocks. Umiyak.
Pag may hirap, dapat may sarap ng Goldilocks.
New Hershey's Cookies and Cream Kisses. Little Hershey's Kisses. Big white chocolate taste.
Duwang tatak ng sigurista.
Control of details.
Lulu Taiwan, fashion designer.
With my knits, color is an important detail. Kaya kahit magkamantsa, I make sure di kukupas ang kulay when taking out the stain. I only use Breeze Color.
Sa Breeze Color, pulbos o bareta, tapos ang mantsa sa unang laba. At sa color care nito, tingkad ng kulay protektado.
Pag decolor, sigurado ako sa Breeze Color. From Unilever.
Ang tunay na lalaki, di basta umiiyak. Puwera na lang sa sipon o sinusitis. Mag-Sinotab. Tanggal ang inflamed sinuses, headache, stuffy nose. Dahil ang tunay na lalaki, di sipunin. Sipon man o sinusitis na, mag-Sinotab.